Hi guys, Aurora here. Today, this is a different vlog. I will show you what I've been using as far as deodorant. I have been using this product since as far as I can remember, since Philippines. I even have my husband use this product as well. Also, I introduced this to my parents-in-law and they too are using it. They introduced this to all neighborhoods, so the whole neighborhood is using this product. My co-workers, some of them was very skeptical, but they too were of believers. Let me drink first. I want to show you now the product that really works. You don't have to try if you don't want to, but I am just gonna tell you that this product really does the job. Have you ever heard of Crystal Body Deodorant? This product only costs around $5, so you can get them on Amazon or GNC or Walgreens. One tiny thing. This will last you forever. This is how big it is. The best time to use this when you are out from the shower while your armpit's still wet, you can apply it right away. This is what I will tell you about this product. This product it works like a charm. If you are like working out, sweating, it's just like you just sweat all over and you stink, you know, body odor. And if you take shower and use this product, it's amazing, you guys. It will keep you clean, keep you smelling good, keep you from being wet, keeps you dry, and most of all, makes your armpit white. Well, it's not a whitening product, but you know, it does a good job for, you know, smells good. I mean, it does not have a smell. It's a hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, but still smells good for me. This product cured overactive sweat glands. If you are reading Amazon review, people there are like believers. Some of them are very skeptical and they become a believer. This product is not your typical deodorant. It will last a year. This stuff works. You must apply this right away after shower while your armpit's still wet, and that it works best that way. So this is very amazing. This is scentless and non-irritating, too good to be true. That's what people are saying. It simply stops the odor. Stinky feet works great too. So all you have to do, just rinse your feet, rub this wrap on your feet, and it does the job. You'll probably, if you have the smelly, stinky armpit, you will probably say, bye-bye, BO. I promise, if you use this, you're probably never gonna go back. Also, it will not stain your shirts or your clothing. This is something that you must have. When we travel, we have to have that. We have to carry one. You cannot go anywhere without this. It's a lifesaver actually. So this is good for someone who has persistent body odor, someone who has persistent sweating all the time. And guys, if you come to work and your armpit is wet and stinky, please don't come to work when your armpit is stinky. Use this. Use this. This really, try this one. This will really will work, okay? This is also cost effective because it's only $5. It will last you forever. One guy says it lasts him 6 years. To be honest, it will last like at least a year. It will stop your onion smelly armpit. Oh yeah, if you have the very stinky armpit, it will really stop the body odor. You are probably one of the person who will say, I'm skeptical, blah blah blah. But guys, once you try this, you're probably never gonna go back to any other deodorant. You know, those deodorant over the counter, it's very stinky, it has a smell to it, and it's very sticky and leaves stains. This one does not leave stains on your clothing. Don't mind the pink packaging, you guys. It's pink packaging, but it also works for men. Trust me. So if you try this, you will probably not buy any other deodorant again. So anyways, if this is your first time watching Aurora's vlog, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you for watching Aurora's vlog, guys, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.